Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 8. Now open page number 45. Teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Dear students, you are familiar to the teeth. You are familiar to the teeth. With the help of teeth, we are eating or the food material. And microbes are the tiny organisms which may not be seen by our the naked eyes. So today we have to study in this lesson about the teeth and the microbes. Teeth, they are kind of teeth by which we eat our the food. Microbes are the tiny organisms and which may not be seen by naked eyes. Microbes can be seen with the help of the microscope only. So teeth and microbes. Some questions you have to tell pre-reading questions. Sometimes your mother tells you not to eat too many sweets. Why does she say to? You are eating so many sweets. So your mother asks or sometimes don't eat so much sweet. Why she's asking you? You have seen your some friends having the teeth, having the decayed. So sweets attract the microbes. If microbes will be there, that leads to decaying of the teeth. So that is why your mother advised you or prevent you for eating sweets or eating more and more. It is not bad to eat the sweet, but after eating the sweet, you have to wash your the mouth properly, clean your mouth properly. So your mother advised because microbes microbes growth increased in the presence of the sweets, and these microbes decay your the teeth. So your mother prevent you to eat these sweet. When you were when you were a baby, what kind of food was given to you? Ask your answer. When you were a baby, what kind of food was given to you? Ask your mother. You know that you was given the liquid food or very soft food because you have no teeth at that time. You did not have the teeth. So you was given the milk at that time. Now start the reading. Everybody has teeth inside his or her mouth. Teeth are hard bony structures. The hard material of the tooth is composed of calcium and the phosphorus. Teeth grow in the jaws. We have one upper jaw and the one lower jaw. They are necessary for chewing the food that we eat. So we can chew the food, we can bite the food with the help of teeth. You see that if you're the grandmother and the grandfather, if they are the very old, then you see that they have lost their teeth. How they are eating? They cannot eat the hard substances. Only they can, after the crushing, then that they can eat the things, or they can uh, take the liquid or the soft food only. So, teeth are necessary for chewing the food that we eat. Besides, they give shape and appearance to the face. Also, they help us in speaking clearly. So, they not only teeth not only help in giving the shape of our the face, but they are not helping us for the chewing only, but they giving the shape of our the face. If you have the image of your the grandfather or grandmother when they become the young, and this time you see that you find what is the difference in between the face of your the grand mother or father during the when they were the young and this time. So they give us the face. They also help in the speaking clearly. In our lifetime, we get two sets of the teeth, milk teeth and the permanent teeth. Milk teeth are the 20 in total and the permanent teeth are the 32 in the total. So you see the teeth in your lifetime, there are two sets of the teeth. One is the milk teeth and other is the permanent teeth. Milk teeth are the 20 in the total and the permanent teeth are the 32 in the total. We all are born without the teeth. When we born, we had no any teeth. Thus, a baby drinks only milk. After few months, teeth begins to grow. By 2.5 years, about 20 teeth come up. These are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. So, milk teeth and the temporary teeth, they start to grow in our the jaw just after the few months after the birth. When the child is about 6 years, the age of the male teeth begin to fall off one by one. New permanent teeth grow in their places. A grown-up adult has a set of 32 permanent teeth, 16 each in the upper and the lower jaw. So initially milk teeth, number of the milk teeth is the 20, while the number of the permanent teeth is the 32. Now kinds of the teeth. Now next you see kinds of the teeth. One diagram is given in our book. You try to see this diagram, that is the page number 46. One mouth is opened and the upper side you see that the four teeth are the incisor, and after that just after the canine, premolar and the molar. So there are four type of the teeth. One is the incisor. Incisors. Incisor are at the front of the mouth. what teeth we are seeing front? This is called the incisor. Incisor are the flat and have sharp straight edge. They are 8 in number, 4 upper jaw and the 4 in the lower jaw. 4 teeth each in upper and lower jaws. These teeth help in biting the food. So incisor help in the biting of the food. If we have no incisor, we cannot eat the apple. Now next canine. Canines. You have seen the dogs. Dog have a tall to this side, uh, tall and the pointed teeth are there. These are the canine, and we have also the canine this side. These are the canines, and these canines are meant for the tearing the food. They are the canines are one either side next to the incisor. They are pointed and the sharp. They are 4 in numbers, 2 each in upper and the lower jaws. These teeth help tears the food. They help in the tearing the food. They are the pointed. And premolars. Premolars are on either side next to the in all, 4 on top and the 4 at the bottom. They are flat and the broad teeth which make them perfect for crushing and grinding. So these are meant for the crushing and the grinding of the food. Now next, after the premolar, next on the molar, these are the innermost teeth. Molars are on either side next to the premolars and at the back of the mouth. These are 12 in number, 6 in each jaw. They are broader than the premolars. They grind the food. The two in and the molars on both sides are also known as wisdom teeth. The last two, the two end molars on both sides, this side and this side, these are also known as the wisdom teeth. Now, next time we will discuss about the structure of the teeth. Thank you.